I finally decided to upgrade my 3D printer. Those were the first 2 seconds of this channel. And I never could have thought that after 21 videos and 9 months I would reach 1000 subscribers. Thanks a lot. Yeah, in this video I want to tell a bit about myself, why I started YouTube. One reason, that's my initial reason, is to get out of my comfort zone. I first wanted to find out if YouTube is something for me. And I said to myself, I want to reach 1000 subscribers, and after that I will buy myself a new camera. And guess what? I've bought a Canon 80D. I can even connect my phone to it and hit the... Sorry for that. And the image quality is much better. I have recorded everything on my old JVC camera, which has brought this channel to 1000 subscribers. It's a nice compact thing. I won't throw it away, but this won't be my main camera anymore. I even have an older camera here somewhere. This is my first video camera I actually made videos with. I will never throw this away. This cassette has the actual footage of doing stupid things, like doing some stunts, making cake, and making a bomb. Whoa! So everything you've seen, except for some footage, is recorded with a JVC camera. Yeah, since I was quite young, I always did projects, all kinds of projects. One of the projects I did was the making of this guitar. With all of those projects, there was always something happening or struggles, and I learned a lot from that. But I never have shared those. With YouTube and the camera and everything, I'm able to show the process itself. It was made out of a kitchen counter with this cool metal knob, and it sounds quite awesome, by the way. We're now going to my old shed. It's a bit windy outside, this shed. It's so old. This is the base of the land registry in this area. This is one of the first buildings here. And I'm going to show you some awesome projects that I've done in here. This is one of my first bigger projects I've done. I've made this when I was 16. I've put CD players here. It wasn't a terrible amount of work to get these CD players here. So I didn't have a milling machine. Yeah, we had to be a bit creative to get this hole in. I'm challenging you if you know how we have managed to get this hole out of this rim. So please leave a comment if you think you know how we have done it. This one is another project. I've bought this car 3 years ago. I bought this Mini from 1983. So it's older than I am, and it was 1000cc, and after 2 weeks I blew it up. I went a bit too fast and it was the end of the engine. So I needed a new engine. I bought a 1275cc engine, and I put it together with my father. I put it in here, and it was super awesome to do. So let's see if it's still in there. There it is, the 1275. We have painted it, and after we've painted it, we just put it in front of the heater in the living room. It looked very stupid, but yeah, it worked. Well, this thing is beast, and it was an automatic gearbox, but I wanted the manual, so we have modified it to make and added a manual gearbox to it, and therefore we had to manually drill a hole in the block itself, almost 100mm thick piece of solid steel. But this is something I also didn't have any footage of. The max speed I've reached with this is 160 kilometers an hour, and in such a little car, in which you can see the road through the flooring. It's pretty fast. Well, thanks Dad. It was very awesome to build this thing and to make it run. But it didn't film it. Why I didn't film it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.